Today we're going to be reviewing an LED desk lamp. Here's what comes in the box. We got a user manual. We got the arm, power plug, very long cable. Got the hook or the clamp. Goes on your desk. Very well made. And got the lamp. As you can see, it's a pretty wide lamp. Together, look, it's pretty wide. It has a lot of LEDs. It's CRI is 92. So the colors look almost as how you see them in person. There's no blue light, there's no glare. It protects your eyes. It's movable. If you can see, you can set it however you want. If you want wider or a full strip of LEDs, you can dim it. It has power. It has the button. It's touch sensitive, so power button, and then you have to brightness up, brightness down, and here it has the modes that goes from 3000 kelvins to 5700 kelvins. So if you want it to look like orange, you can change it from orange all the way to cool blue. So you have different type of lights that you can do. You can do dim it from 10% to 100%. So this is a very versatile, cool looking, modern looking desk lamp. It goes 360. So this arm rotates 360 and this one rotates 175 degrees. And the same with this. This is 270 degrees turns, and then you could do 175 down or up. So this is directional, so you can have it just pointing down, or you can move the light however you want. It depends how big your desk is or how you want to spread it. So these are great for working, for architects, for studying, for gaming, for if you want to be on your room and you don't want to turn on the light, you can set this one like really, or well lit, soft light work environment. So let's just go put together and see how it looks. And I said the lamp is very versatile. Right now I'm getting lit by it. If you don't want to use it for your desk, you can use it. You do content creation or interviews and anything like that, you can use the light, give you a nice, well lit looking scene or content. So you can move it too. If it's too much, it's spread too long, too far, you can make it smaller. If you do any type of content, you know that lighting could be very expensive. It's a very well priced lamp, and it should help you with that too. So let's put it on the desk and see how it looks. Here how it looks. Just tap the button, turns on. This is all the light that is given. You can see it's directional. You can go up or down. You can bring this in. Now it's darker there. You can do whatever you want, however you want. If you want to light it up that way, if there's too much light, you can bring it up. So definitely very versatile. It's too bright, you can tap these buttons and it will come down nice and soft. No blue light, no glare, no green light. Then you can change the colors. That's or cool white. It gets warmer and colder. I like colder myself, but warmer sometimes I like it too. So I prefer a cooler temperature looking, but if you're looking for a nice looking LED lamp, there you have it. Go get yours.